legends don't fly, but I like to rise to the occasion.
Never met a problem a dibutyl phthalate compound explosive couldn't fix.
Introducing your champion.
I always pay my respects to your families. Think that makes me soft?
I'm Jump Master.
Turn for a rough
Don't worry,
match.
kids. Fusey will catch you when you fall.
I don't want to kill you, but you're in my way.
I'm Jump Master. Follow my lead.
I hope for your sake that wasn't supposed to impress me.
Let's scope this quadrant out here.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh boy.
10-6. Bandit touchdown near me. Fire.
Imagine getting a gun.
I didn't.
Shooting at me.
Looky here, lads. We're inside the ring.
Wow, first blood. Under fire.
And she knows it.
Had to make it difficult.
Looks like
for
I
him.
pulled a fast one on you, amigo.
So this fucking other Valkyrie and I landed, and there was just one Havoc rifle, and she got it.
Did you get her ammo?
Huh?
Did you get her ammo?
No. She got everything.
I like to try to take the ammo before the gun. Because
She
then
landed
they don't
closer
get...
to it than I did.
Oh.
It was literally your SOL moment.
Please, for the love of God, do not respawn me here. Go up the hill. Go up the hill.
Respond you hear you say.
No!
Up the hill.
Go up the hill.
Ah, world.
You barely made that. Oh no.
Like. What? You. I can't aim for shit. Oh my god, my health is horrible.
Mm-hmm. Where do you go?
Oh god. That's not fair.
You have your ult?
Not yet. I'm trying to buy time for it, basically.
And then take the other zip line.
Okay, so I'll be up there.
I'm in the next ring.
They're probably so pissed
Come
off.
on.
Run! Oh my god. Whee!
Oh. No, there's another squad there. The Great Escape.
Hold on.
What?
I have the perfect thing for this.
Hello, danger cats. Oh, that's horrible. That sound. Yeah, that would have been more appropriate during.
I didn't think about it until now because you're still running away.
I have a escape now.
Think again. I saw them.
Piece of shit. You know, if there is anybody, I won't be able to hear them. You better hope there's nobody here, because I'm respawning you. Because I can't hear if they're here or not.
I turned it off.
I hate that. I hate not being able to hear who people are.
Well, we can't hear where they are anyway because of the freaking bugs with the
I can
goddamn
hear 'em.
Apex servers.
I got bad news for you.
I told you!
If I could have heard them, I would have brought you here.
I told you!
You shouldn't have been playing sound, so I could have heard. I don't have the bugs you do. With the sound.
Under fire.
I could hear everybody's footsteps just fine. Nice bitch.
Going in knuckle cluster.
My ultimate's ready. Please get over here, please get over here, please. I'm leaving.
Sandwich.
I'm busting out whether they're here or not.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alert
2
5,
seconds.
Valkyrie on station. We are go for burn. Main engine burn.
Oh god.
See?
The captain's turned off the no seatbelt sign.
It's a Leopardon,
We're on the outlet.
Charlie. A magic Leopardon. They're here to kill us.
Why is it that every time we get into a game, we're the ones getting chased?
Everybody chases us too. It's like, god damn, it's like they can smell us.
Recharging
It's
shield.
the whole lobby that does it. They're like, ah.
I smell streamer.
They want my streamer ass.
They can smell the twitch on you.
At least I don't have TTV.
I wouldn't play with you if you did.
What?
Way to get, that's a good way to get hard targeted.
I know, right? Like, I love my buddies that have TTV in their names. I know!
Reckon we should go here.
I will leave you again. Prepare to be Judas.
What?
Replicator on its way down.
It's Iron Man for himself now. I'm sorry. I don't have any more fucking flight shit.
Under fire.
You! Leave us alone!
Bullet should be hard stuff.
You blocked my truck, you son of a bitch!
I'm sorry! Take her or leave!
They're coming after you. They watched you sacrifice me, you son of a monkey's uncle. I knew! Yeah! I had nothing for you.
I'll have to say
I had
no.
nothing
killed
for
her.
you. You asshole.
I'm sorry.
See, you don't have any more damage than I did.
I got 28 damage. Oh god. Make it stop.
I did 40 to her.
Yeah, I'm proud of you.
Only 'cause I'm dead. They're getting lit up. Go get my fucking bots.
I really need fucking shield cells.
Getting respawned, and I don't have a respawn beacon with me because guess what? I've died twice now.
What'd you do that for?
Not my fault.
Good. Let's see.
There's
Look,
two
a respawn
left in
beacon.
No!
You're coming back in. I'll do this alone, damn it. Oh. This is the most ridiculous fucking match ever.
You gotta go around the mountain.
What's with all the fucking Lobas?
Movement.
Oh, hi. I don't want to play with you. You're mean.
Run.
I have evaded so many squads.
I know. You could have been a pretty flower.
Fuck you! Nope. Nope. Fuck you. I have ran away from so many fucking people this game.
Here they come.
Guess what?
Oh my god,
Get your ass
no!
back in here.
Why do you do this to me?
I'm not suffering this alone.
Here they come. Hope you're ready.
I'm already running. And I'm here. But you just ran away. There's a gun here for you.
Thermite alternator here.
There are literally alternators here.
I don't believe
You
you.
just ran. I just pinged them. They're all I've done to keep you alive in this fucking game.
Hey, care package.
Replicator on its way down.
I don't like this match. I have white shit. I have literally white, like pristine
I have a
white shields I've swapped for.
Oh no.
Oh god, run away, run away.
Here comes the old knuckle cluster. Healing.
The fucking Pathfinder.
Under fire.
Oh, nope. Bye.
Stand back. Knuckle cluster's firing.
Yeah, yeet!
Charging on my shield.
Ah, Struth, I'm down.
I'm dead again, son of a bitch! Go
Enemy here.
suck it in!
This is my last shield cell.
Shields.
Yeah, shield cells.
Enemy here.
By himself. Ah! No! No!
Leave us alone. We've suffered enough.
Fire. Tractable
you dare go down. After all this bullshit, don't you dare go down.
You have my no healing abilities. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Crashed and burned.
We did
Let's
it!
get
We're
you a
alive!
do-over, huh?
Oh my god.
Here, have a med kit.
Medkit here. Hold up.
I hate this. I don't like this.
Healing. I'll walk it off.
Safe to touch down. We're already in the next ring. Incoming care package. Pro tip?
There's a couple shield cells for you, a couple for me.
Recharging my shields.
Actually, cancel that, cancel. Or don't.
What?
I was gonna give you a shield battery.
Recharging my shields.
Heavy ammo here.
There's a wingman with heavy ammo. Make it count.
I have to.
We're in the top 4.
Oh, fuck.
2 squads left. Don't bail out of me now.
Top 3.
The hell is this bullshit?
I ran my ass off this whole fucking game. Had one actual fight. Got the kill. Somehow put us back into this match.
Pulls me back into it, only to be me killed.
Oh, you're a good little meat shield. I came back for you every time, though. You know, after they kill you.
Mm-hmm.
I came back, damn it. And that's what counts. Can we call it after this game? Can we just call it early today? It's only 15 minutes early. I don't have the emotional strength for another round of this. Fucking... Yeah, I need a vacation.
There's a Loba ult. There.
What do you say we move here?
This
They're
is...
fighting.
Oh my god, we're fucking back here. We're in the
One
top
squad
2.
left. Let's go break their hearts, eh?
This is where it all started.
Ring's close and closing in 45.
Watch it be the original
Moving
Lobo
top.
back race squad that killed us in the first, that killed you in the first place.
Oh my god. And they are so much better
Ring will be
equipped
closing
for
in 30.
a fight
She
than
ain't
we are.
far.
Oh yeah. We're so fucked, it's not even funny.
I'm gonna hide. I'm a turbine.
Ring
They know we're
closing
here.
time. It's close.
Oh no.
And they have red shields.
Of course they do. Oh, it's a bloodhound. Oh god. Please no.
Ring's closing and we're all in the
Oh yes.
Enemy here, fellas.
Nope.
Taking
Bye.
fire.
Fuck you guys.
I am dead again. Are you fucking
You
serious?
definitely should.
I ran away yet again.
You son of a bitch!
No way.
What? What? No! No! No. Are you serious?
We're in the game! No way!
What's that bullshit?
Apex champions.
How did we win that? Oh my god.
Oh my god. What? In the actual fuck?
How the turntables? How did we win that?
I don't know, I'm fucking crying. Oh my god.
When I realized they stayed behind and the ring was coming on them, I'm just like, no. Why are you sitting where the ring is?
Oh
I
my
respawned
God.
you twice, revived you once, fucking only had 3 kills.
Oh my god.
If that squad knew what we were doing that whole fucking game, they'd be so pissed about us winning that.
Oh, probably.
Like,
without a doubt. Oh my god.
I don't like this. I don't... I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm sorry. I can't.
Oh, stream ends in a couple minutes anyway. I don't think they'd be terribly upset for ending it early. That was some fucking bullshit is what that was.
There was not a moment of that game I was not having to run away. I'm exhausted.
Oh my god. Okay, you know what we need to do?
Cry.